gon' burn it down, burn it down, burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado,
I'm on an island, even when you're close. Can't take the silence, I'd rather be alone. I think it's pretty plain and simple. We gave it all we could. Time I wave goodbye from the window. Let's end this like we shouldn't say we're good.
Featured as one of Glamour Magazine's favorite happy heels from the online women's print destination for millennial and Gen Z beauty-loving women, the best heels brand, bestowed upon ASOS Harling square-toe Ruched Mules, are a cotton candy scream reminiscent of a dreamlike time in Wonderland where magic, music, and even maybe a little mayhem filled the air. A happy time, that is, where a click of two heels transports you to a time of wonder. Want the latest zine trends? Then smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel and become a superhero with the best of them. This exclusive ASOS design is a fun one with its cloudy-like pink and purple hues, glossy satin style Harling square toe Ruched mid heels with backless design, begging the question, who needs the back of a shoe? Selling out fast only at ASOS.com. The slip-on style ASOS design Harling square toe, open toe, Ruched strapped, flared mid-heel mules are a girl's dream at a heel height of 3 inches. Here in a size 9 in the US and also offered in the color black. Selling out fast, let me tell you, on the ASOS website at $50 excluding tax and shipping. Features a lining sock of 100% textile, a sole of 100% other materials, other meaning not having been disclosed for me to disclose here, and an upper of 100% textile. Pair nicely with a cute wrap dress to represent who you are and where you are, because you won't want to be there too long in these mules, as the mules sit close to the ground with no cushioning, so not providing much comfort to your toes. As you can see, there's not much lining or material to the sole, therefore you're pressing upon whatever is underneath the shoe. Great for you if it's carpet, bad for you if it's concrete. Also, the straps do actually hold firm, but not without allowing some slipping and sliding from occurring while walking. So while maybe giving us a lot to be happy about, I'm just not happy with the boxiness of the mules, but most importantly, having to feel my feet close to the ground with every step I take. It's just not that comfortable when walking on concrete. Trust me. Therefore, the ASOS design Harling square toe Ruched mid-heel mules are not Superfly, and they don't buy. Tell me if you agree. Let me know what you think. But in the meantime, here's a closer look.
Nobody can drag me down. 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 Nobody can drag me down.
So I know you've got to be wondering, like me, what the heck are happy heels? Well, simply put, they are, quote, pure, unadulterated fun for your feet and make you smile every time you look down, end quote, according to Glamour Magazine. Whether it's a closed toe against the spring chill or sandal-esque beauty to show off that fresh to death French pedicure, the happy heel have become the latest spring shoe trend, and all have their height in common. So while you might have had a pair of trainers glued to your feet over the past few months, or ventured off into a pair of loafers for that tentative return to work, happy heels have a kick to their height, coming in joyful, fresh colors like lavender, sky blue, orange, or mint. Some sprinkled with diamantes, daisy embellishment, or rainbow details. You know, some sort of dainty embellishment that keeps you smiling. Or better yet, those that just help you live. Here, according to Glamour Magazine, are the best happy heels to snap up now that lockdown has been lifted. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.